Hi friends, it's Miss Reyn, and welcome back to another Tinker Time. Now friends, do you happen to know what day it is today? Well, today is a very important day because it is Endangered Species Day. Now, what does that mean? Well, an endangered species is a plant or an animal that is in danger of disappearing forever. Yes, if a plant or an animal dies out completely and can no longer be found on this earth, then that means they will become extinct. And that wouldn't be very good. I know, my friends, it sounds a little sad, but don't worry, because there are some things that we can do that can help save and protect these plants and animals that are endangered. Now, one thing that we can do is to recycle. Recycling helps keep our environment clean. The second thing we can do is to save water so that our plants, our animals, and people like us have enough drinking water to drink all the time. And lastly, one of the most important things that we can do to protect endangered species is to be kind to them. Now, endangered species, there are so many kinds of them. But did you know there is an animal that I know a lot of you know that is also endangered? And that would be a bee. Yes, a bee that you can see in the garden is an example of an endangered species. Now, bees are very important because they are pollinators. Now, pollinators help plants like flowers grow and keep them healthy to produce more seeds that can help create more plants. So we have to protect animals that are endangered just like bees so that we can have a lot of healthy plants all around us. Now, in honor of our amazing pollinators, we are going to be tinkering our very own, yep, you guessed it, our very own pollinator. Now, grab your materials and let's be thinkers who like to tinker. I'll see you in a minute.
For this activity, you'll need some colored paper, some fun recycling materials that you can find around your home, some glue or tape, scissors, coloring materials of your choice, and all kinds of crafting materials that you can find around your home.
Welcome back, friends. Did you guys get to tinker your very own pollinator? That's awesome. I can't wait to see them all. Now, I'm going to show you mine. I made a really neat little ladybug. Well, maybe not so little ladybug. So I used all my different recyclable and crafting materials to make this cool little ladybug. Now, we're going to get to do a fun little activity so that we can see pollination in action. All right, let's go.
Take your colored paper and grab a pencil or a marker and draw a flower on them. You are going to need about 2 to 3 flowers for this activity, or however many you'd like. Once you finish drawing your flowers, of course, we've got to cut them out. Next, we are going to grab our powdered materials. I've got powdered cheese, some brown sugar, and pancake mix. Then, put one of the powders onto each flower. Different colors make this a lot easier to see the pollination process. Once you finish preparing your flowers and tinkering your very own pollinator, go ahead and let them fly around. And don't forget, they should visit each flower to pollinate, going one flower to another. And see if you notice anything. What observations can you make? Do you notice that the pollen from different flowers have been moved to other flowers? That's thanks to our handy-dandy pollinators.
That was really, really cool. Now, friends, I want to say thank you guys for joining me today for another awesome Tinker Time. And I would love to see all the amazing pollinators that you guys got to tinker. You can send us photos through our social media. Again, I'm Miss Reyn, and it was nice seeing you guys. It's awesome when we get to be thinkers who like to tinker. Bye!